Hi, thank you for joining Pioneer. My name is Aaron Penson from the Norman Central Library. I appreciate you spending a few minutes with me today. For the last effect in our awesome night sky, I want to stream shooting stars across the inky purple. It will look so neat. And you basically already know how to do it. The easiest way to make this is to create a new sprite and to send it streaming across the sky randomly. We'll make the sprite, we'll point it in mostly random directions, we'll tell it how long to go, and we'll rehide it. So first, we really just need a copy of our star sprite. Right-click on the star sprite in the sprites area and select Duplicate. Rename the new Star2 sprite as Shooting Star. When you duplicate a sprite, you also duplicate the scripts. Look, looks the exact same as the star scripts. We don't need those, so let's put them back in the library. If you click and hold on the event block, you grab the entire script. Click and hold, drag it over to the library, and let go. First, grab a when green flag clicked event block. We like the shooting star to keep shooting over and over and over again, so grab a forever loop and snap it in under the green flag. Let's get the star moving correctly. Think about how a shooting star moves. It goes a ways in a direction, and then it winks out. So the first thing is to send it going a ways. We will use move 10 steps for this because we already said we want it moving in random directions, but we don't want it running forever. We just want it to run a few times and then disappear. Well, we keep using a forever loop, but there are other kinds of loops out there. There's a great one for only repeating a certain number of times. In fact, you just used it. It's called repeat 10 times. You can find it here in the orange control blocks. Grab that and put it inside your forever loop. Next, go to motion and grab a move 10 steps block. Put that inside the repeat loop. If we ran our program right now, the star would just keep moving. It's only move 10 stepsing 10 times, but then it repeats that forever. I think what we need is to make it start in a new location after it finishes its 10 movements. So let's get a go to random position block from motion and snap that in before the repeat 10 times loop, not inside the repeat loop, but before it. This means that the star will go somewhere random, and then move 10 steps will happen 10 times. Then it will repeat all that. Give it a look. Oh, I don't see our shooting star, do you? I think our shooting star has hidden. If you click on the shooting star sprite, you can see whether a sprite is shown or hidden right here in the bottom right of the sprites menu. Click on the little eyeball next to the slashy eyeball, and now try running your script. Hey, it's a good start. One obvious thing to fix is the direction. It's always shooting the same way, but we want it to shoot around randomly. Let's add a point in direction 90 block to the start of our script before the go to random position block. Next, if we want to randomize the direction, we need a pick random 1 to 10 block from the green operators blocks. Grab one and snap it into the 90 bubble on the point in direction block. Next, 1 to 10 is not a very interesting range. Let's give it the entire range. Leave the 1 at 1, but change the 10 to read 360. Now click your green flag. Oh my, it's coming along. Looking good. Let's make the star disappear and hide for a little bit in between shots across the sky. We'll do that by making it hide after it animates, remembering to make it show before it animates, and by making it wait in between shots. So, go to Looks and get a hide block and snap it in right under the repeat loop after it finishes its travels across the night. Now, get a show block and snap it in right before the repeat loop. We also want it to wait in between animations, so go to the orange control blocks and grab a wait 1 seconds block. Snap that in at the end under hide. Give your program a look here. Hey, we're getting close. Now we only have a simple change to make so that it looks more natural. Do you remember how we said that anything that's too regular always looks computerized? Well, that's why we've got random numbers. Let's insert some random numbers into a few parts of our script. Head over to the green operators blocks. Let's put randoms in a few places and then adjust the numbers. Put 1 inside the repeat loop. This one will change how long the star moves for. Put 1 inside the move 10 steps block. This one will change how fast the star moves. And last, put 1 in the wait 1 seconds block. This one will change how long we wait in between star appearances. You have a lot of freedom here. I'm going to pick numbers I like, but you should totally make the numbers work the way you like. Change the repeat loop random to read pick random 6 to 15. Change the move 10 steps block random to read 5 to 15. Last, change the wait 1 seconds block random to read pick random 2 to 6. There. Now try it. Our sky looks so neat. Don't you love the way it looks? Now, you should make your own. Do you think you could add trees or some cricket noises? What about some red stars like Betelgeuse? Maybe you could even make a planet to wander among the stars. When you do, be sure to share your projects and link them in the comments down below. And, of course, have fun. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Thanks a lot. See you soon.